Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple method that you can do from home to make money for free. So stick around, we're going to get started on that here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. As I said in the beginning, I'm going to show you a simple method to make money from home for free. And this is available anywhere in the world. You can do this from anywhere. It doesn't matter where you're at, as long as you have a computer and internet access, right? Alright, so first of all, let me say at the outset here that you're going to need to stay and watch this whole video, because there's an important part or an important step to this to make this work right. Okay? So toward the end, I'll explain that to you and show you how to do that. Okay? So for right now, what we're going to do for this easy method, we're going to come over to a site everybody's familiar with called Fiverr.com, right? Everybody knows about Fiverr pretty much, right? And what you're going to do is come here and we're going to type in, for example, up here in their search engine, up here I'm going to type in transcribe video. And then just press enter. And you see that brings us over to where you see there's a lot of folks here that are that do this, and it's a very easy. I'm going to show you a very easy method to do this. You can do one of these in about 10 minutes. In about 10, well, maybe about 15, because you're going to have to upload the video to your YouTube channel to make this work. Okay, and there's an important step to that that I'll show you here in a little bit. All right, so anyways, you're going to come over here to Fiverr. You're going to click up here to either become a seller or join if you don't have an account on Fiverr. And you're going to become a seller. You're going to start a transcription gig on Fiverr here for transcribing, just like you see some of these other people have done. Now, for example, how would you get your gig, because there's quite a few people doing this, right? How would you get your gig to rank up high on Fiverr and in the search engines? Well, when you create your transcribe or transcription gig, after clicking become a seller, you're going to click on find some of these that have got a lot. Like this one here has got like a rating of 5.0, and it's got 937 jobs done. They're charging $5 to start. Now, if we, for example, if we clicked on that one there, and you can do this on any of them that you want, and you can see that for the basic, they'll transcribe anywhere from 1 minute to an hour and a half of audio, and so on and so forth. Now this one's just shows audio here, and then for $5. But then they have a standard package for $30, where they'll do for the same for video and audio, and then a premium package at $100, where they'll do a whole lot more stuff here for that much money. So you can set yours to however you want on your gig. You know, you can start it at $5 and then set your standard package up and a premium package as well, and make more money. And so anyways, you want to come to one of these that's got a reasonable amount, because that means that they're doing good and theirs ranks up pretty good in the search engines and on Fiverr. How they do that? Well, what you're going to do when you create your gig and click on one of these ones that have a high amount here, you're going to come down to the bottom of that video. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and you see down here where it says related tags. You see these are the tags that this particular person is using on their gig to help them rank on Fiverr, okay, and get up towards the top on Fiverr and in the search engines. Eventually, it'll take time to get into the Google search engines on this, but on Fiverr it should happen fairly quick, I would think. But you're going to use their tags. Just copy their tags that they're using and use their tags on your gig or your transcribe channel here on Fiverr, right? So that's how you, first of all, you want to set up your gig on Fiverr for transcribing, because we're going to transcribe videos and audio. Okay, and this can be done both video and audio both. Only thing is if it's audio, you're going to need to convert it into an MP4 file and upload it to your YouTube channel. So we've created our gig already on Fiverr, right? So then we would come over and we would upload that video to our channel, and then take that video link. For example, I'm just going to use one of my videos right here. It doesn't matter which one. And if I click on that, you're going to click on the video that you upload. Now, when you upload it, you want to set it to unlisted, because this isn't going to be a public video for anybody, right? When you upload the video, for example, if I click on upload here, and to upload a video to YouTube, it comes here, and you have the choice right here to set it as public, unlisted, private, or scheduled. You want to set your video to unlisted, because this is not going to be a public video. It's someone else's video, right? So you want to set it, make sure that you upload it as unlisted, and then just click upload, upload the video on the YouTube, on your YouTube channel. Okay? Alright, so then coming back here, then what we would do, we'll take the video. I'm just going to load up the video here, turn it off so it don't play here right now. And I'm going to come up here after you've uploaded your video on YouTube. You're going to upload, come up here at the top, click on the link in the address bar. That's the link to this particular video, or the video that you upload, right? And you're going to copy that link. Just right click and copy. Then you're going to come over to another site called contentbear.co. contentbear.co, and then press enter, and that loads up this little website right here. Now, this is where you're going to transcribe your video into text for the customer that asked you to do that, right? So you take your video URL that you uploaded on your channel of the person's video, your customer, and bring it over here, and then you're going to right click and paste it in, and then just click on fetch. And as you see, it's taken all the words out of my video, or the video that you uploaded. It'll take all the words out of that and give you those words. And then what you want to do is just simply copy that to the clipboard down here. You can click on that, copy to clipboard here, or you can just highlight the whole thing and then just right click and click copy. Copy that, bring it over to, open up. Now I'm running Windows, you may be running Mac, it doesn't matter. If you're running Mac, you're going to open up your file editor or a notepad or something along that line, or a word processing program like Microsoft Word or something like that. But anyways, on Windows, I'm going to open up Notepad here. Okay? And then open up Notepad. So we copy that to the clipboard, right? Text successfully copied to the clipboard. It says up here to the right. And then bring it back on into Notepad, and then we're just going to paste it in there. And then what you'll do is just click and save the file as, save that file onto your hard drive. Right? And then after you've done that, you'll take that file and bring that file back to Fiverr. Log back into your account if you're not already, and go to the person that signed up for your gig, right? That continued and signed up for your gig, and you're going to mail that file back to them as transcribed. And that's all it takes, and you can make money like that. That's all there is to it. It can be done probably in about 15 minutes per order, and do this over and over and over, and make quick and easy money for free. Now, here's the important part that you need to know. This is why I told you need to stick around for this whole video. This process will not work unless your videos are set to subtitles automatic, or closed captions as automatic. If you forget to do that, and you bring that video over to Content Bear, and you put it in here, and try to fetch the words out of it, or transcribed words, it'll pop up here. If it's not set to subtitles or closed captioning, it'll pop up with a message up here and say, this video can't be fetched because it doesn't have captions set. Okay? So how do you do that? Alright, so back on your YouTube channel. Alright, you uploaded your video. Now, YouTube here lately, in the last couple of weeks or so, has switched over and has everybody using the new YouTube Studio Beta here. But I find that is I'm still getting used to it, and it's still in beta, and it's very buggy yet. So we don't want to use that. But we'll have to click on it anyways to get to where we need to go here. So click on YouTube Studio Beta, and that'll bring you over to the new Studio Beta. And what we're going to do is we're going to come down to the bottom here on the left column. You see over here where it says Creator Studio Classic. You want to click on that. Remember, this is the important part that needs to be done, or this won't work. And you're going to come up, it's going to bring this up here because YouTube is wanting people's opinions on what they think about the Studio, the new beta version of the Studio. And right now, as far as for me, I don't know how it would work on your computer, but for me, it's very slow. So I would check this box here and give them a reason why I'm switching. Just type in like because it's slow for me or something, but it doesn't matter. For our example here, we're just going to click skip down here at the bottom right. So we click skip, and it takes us over to Creator Studio, the old version, right? And let's say that this is the video you uploaded, using my channel here, of course, as an example. What you do is you come over to the next to that video that you uploaded in Creator Studio, and you'll, under unlisted, remember, you uploaded it as unlisted, but it'll still show here. And you come over, and next to the video, click the little drop down box here. And you come down to Subtitles and CC, which is closed captions, and click on that. And then that brings you over to here, and then you can add subtitles or closed captioning of your own if you want by clicking here. But you want to make sure that it says English is what I'm using. You can use it in any language. You can set this in any language you want. But English, it's set to automatic. You want to make sure that it's set, your subtitles and closed captioning up here are set to automatic on the video. If not, you just click on here, and it brings you over to here, and it should tell you here whether it's turned on or turned off or what right here. Subtitles right here, source set to automatic on my video here. If it's not, you come over here and click on edit. Okay, and then in the edit opens up, and you can choose actions here. Come over here where it says actions and click auto generate. See that? Auto generate the subtitles. Click on that and it'll say auto generation completed. Then you just click publish the edits. Okay? And that sets it in there. And now your subtitles are turned on. Subtitles are published, see, in English. So make sure that subtitles are turned on and published on the video that you uploaded from your customer, right? Okay? And then once that's done, then you can come back to your channel and come back to your channel, click on the video like I said, reach up here, grab your link, right click, copy, then bring it over to Content Bearer. Paste it in here, click fetch, and you can get all the words that were spoken in that video or audio out of here. Copy it, post it to your notepad or something like that, give it a file name, and then simply take it back to Fiverr and put it into your customers and give it back to your customer and get paid. It's just that simple. This can be done in about 15 minutes for one video request, one video order or audio order from a customer. All right? Well, guys, that's what I wanted to show you today. It's a pretty simple method to make money and show you all the ways and the important thing that needs to be done here to make this simply work for you. Okay? Well, guys, if you want to see my #1 recommended business, make sure you reach down there below in that description and click where it says mentorwithkev.com. Also, and there's plenty of other videos down in the description there that'll help you out too. Check that out, and I'm going to let you go with that. And I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next video. All right, you guys take care. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you get notified, and give me a thumbs up down there too if you like this training. And I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next video. All right, you guys take care. Bye bye now.